the live session of Krishna Jewellers Palace and Jewels, which is located at row number 36 near Metro Railway Station. We had come up with a new products in our store. Just have a look. This is a choker with matching tops. Coral. This is coral and pearls. We have different coral shapes in this. This is all in 18 karat gold. And the other one is with whole polkis, uncuts. This is also same with 18 karat gold and pearls, with small pearls and big pearls. We had a matching tops for this, like chandbalis. And the other choker is with all emeralds and kundan work. These are all small emerald beads with polkis and ruby emerald stones. This is in 22 karat gold. And the other one is kundan choker, which has small pearls and green beads with same ruby and uncuts. This is again with 22 karat gold and a matching jhumka. Do follow us on Krishna Jewellers Pearls and Gems Jubilee Hyderabad. We had free shipping all over India, as well as you can contact us on WhatsApp number 91630371841, and you can give your comments on Krishna Jewellers details. I'll briefly explain the product details which I have shown you before. As I said you, this is a choker, which is flexible choker. You had polkis, big polkis and small polkis in this, with small diamonds and surrounded by the uncuts.
Handevi madam is asking price.
Good afternoon, madam. Handevi madam, this is Rajkumar here. I'll just give you the price of it. This will roughly cost you around 3,80,000.
More designs we have.
You can contact us on the number as I said you on WhatsApp number. We'll give you a video call session, which can be done by our in-store sales executives. They'll show you more collection in the same designs.
Or else share your number.
Or else share your own number.
We'll call you.
We'll schedule a video call to you, in which you can see more collection in our stores.
Ritvika madam is asking price.
Hello madam Ritvika, this is Rajkumar. I'll just give you the price. Weight. This total weight is around 65 grams and net weight will come up to 27.6, and this is all made in 18 karat gold, which we mostly used in diamonds. For 18 karat is used for fixing the diamonds, which holds the diamond tightly. See the brief descriptions of this.
Nandita Reddy garu price up.
Hello madam Nandita garu, I'll just give you the price. As I said you, this is costing you around 380, which can be if you want to see more collection in the same designs, you can share your number on the WhatsApp number. What I have said you.
Anusha madam asking price.
Hello Anusha madam. As I said you, this is again costing you around 380. You can see the different shapes in this. Corals. You have small, big, small.
Or else share your number. We'll contact you for more designs.
Please share your numbers for us, which we can give you a session of video call where you can see much more collection in our store. You can see much more collection in kundan, polkis, as well as we had gold also.
Sangeeta madam is asking price.
Hello Sangeeta madam. This is costing around 3,80,000. You can share your number or can take our number 630-371-8441, where you can get the more details about our products as well as the price ranges, where we had in-store executives as well as online executives. They'll explain you about more.
Excellent.
You can see the back side design also. This is all closed here. In which you can see this, it had a small gold beads in it, which is called chakris. To give a different look, we had put 3 pearls and a gold chakri here with a coral and 3 beads. Once again a coral, which is set like this. You can see the different shapes of the corals here. Small, big, big, small, big, small, big. You had 2 different sizes in these beads. There is a round pendant here and a small pendant on the other side, which gives a different look. And wear it like this as a choker. This can be used as an omelette also. You can wear it on your arm.
Rajiv is asking contact number.
Yeah, Rajiv sir, I'll just give you the number. This is 630-371-8441, where you can contact us, and you can share your number also, where we can schedule a video call or send some pictures regarding your stays. Yeah, coming to the tops, this has a small stud with a coral hangings and a pearl hanging.
Aman Gupta is asking price. Aman Gupta is asking price.
Hello sir, Aman Gupta. For the tops,
No.
for necklace is costing you around 3,80,000. The total weight is 65 grams and net weight will come up to 27 grams. You have different size of polkis in this.
You have more designs for this.
Yeah, we had more designs in this. You can share your number or contact us on the WhatsApp number what we have given you before. You can have a video session where you can see much more collections from our in-store executives.
Viewers is asking, please say loud.
Yeah, I'll
Hima Bindu madam is asking earring band price.
earrings.
Yeah.
Hello, Mimo Bindu Garu. This is the tops with emerald and pearl with coral hangings with uncuts here. This is weighing around 11.36 grams and net weight will be around 8.25. This will roughly come up to 10,000. 1 lakh. 1,10,000. This has uncuts as well as emerald bead with a pole and a gold cap on the pearl.
It's next.
Coming to the next, this is all of plain polkis. Only whites we had used in this with pearl hangings here. This is all. In this also you had different shapes of polkis. You had a drops in this with a polki and a pearl and small pearls on the above. Coming to the weight, this is around 86.28 grams and net weight is 48.5. You had 3 different sizes of polkis in this and 2 different sizes of pearls. And see the back side. It is all close sitting here. So this is flexible.
Lalita Devi. Lalita Devi is asking price for this.
Yeah, Lalita madam, this is costing you around 5,30,000. Can share your number or can contact us on the WhatsApp number, whereas you can see much more collection of our designs in the same from our stores. Our store executive will help you out on a video call. You can see much more collection of our designs in our store.
Pravalika madam is asking price for this. Pravalika.
Pravalika. Hello Pravalika madam. This is coming up to 5,30,000. You can visit our stores if at all you are from Hyderabad or nearby places from Hyderabad. You can visit our stores. You can see much more collection. We had two floor store here, in which one floor you had gold, diamond and polkis. The other floor is with pearls and silver jewelry.
We'll give you best price.
We'll check out. You can check out much more collection in pearls as well as gold. We can come down to our store and see the collection much more.
We'll give you best price.
We can do the best price workout on the collection what you are selected. Please share your numbers if at all you are interested. We will schedule a video call to you. If at all you are, if you want to look out in some budget and all, you can give your price ranges also, whereas we can schedule the video call as per your ranges, where you can see much more collection in polkis, gold and diamond also. Coming to the ear tops of this is as same as Chandbali. This is all similar design. This is absolutely a matching ear top. This also has a polkis, pearls, small and big pearls. You can see the back side design also same as that close setting only. You can see the hallmark of the company also in this.
Nandita Reddy is asking for price for these earrings.
Hello Nandita madam. I'll just share you the price of this. This is weighing around 33 grams, madam.
Cost for it.
Yeah, this will roughly cost you around 2,20,000.
Madhuri madam is cost. Madhuri madam is cost.
Hello Madhuri madam, this is costing you around 2,20,000. Please do share your numbers with our WhatsApp number, whereas we can schedule you a video call from our in-store executives, where you can see much more collection from our store in pole keys, diamonds, gold, and if at all you want to see pearls collection.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Net weight is 35.9, and this will roughly come up to 4,30,000.
Please share your number.
Please share your number. We can schedule a video call or share the pictures what all we had in our store. You can ask for your details, and if at all you had any budget, price range and all, you can share us the price range also. Whereas we can show you the same range what you're looking for. This is a Kundan pendant with emerald beads. Coming to the other one, this is total Kundal choker with pearl hangings. We had a same in this emerald, ruby and uncuts with small pearl hangings with green beads.
Aishwarya madam is asking price for this.
Hello Aishwarya madam. This choker will come up to 5,80,000. This is all of 22 karat gold with a hallmark of a company. Can see the, I hope you all can see the hallmark here. This is weighing you around 86 grams.
Madhu is asking for
Net weight is of 57 grams.
Madhu is asking for Satlada you have.
Yeah, we do have Satlada collection also, madam. You can just share your number where we can schedule a video call to you for Satladas. Please do share your numbers where we can schedule a video call. Whereas our in-store executive will call you and show you all the collections in what all collection you do like.
Sina Reddy madam is asking you have mango haram for this.
Yeah,
red
we
polki.
Hello Sina Reddy madam. We had mango harams in Kundan, plain gold, as well as polkis. Do share your number. I'll just forward your number to the concerned persons, whereas you will schedule your video call, whereas you can see much more collection of mango harams what you were asking. Please do share
Bottumala you have Kundan.
Yes, we do have Bottumalas. Bottumala we had with Kundan work and CZ work, as well as plain gold also we do have. Please share your numbers, whereas we can schedule a video call where our in-store executives will help you out in showing you all the designs what you are asking for.
Narmada madam is asking price for this. Narmada.
Hello Narmada madam. This choker is coming up to 5,80,000. This is all of 22 karat gold, whereas we have seen before there were 18 karat also in this. As per the design requirement and all, we use gold purity.
Savita madam is asking, you have diamond necklaces. Can you show for diamond necklaces?
Yeah, we do have diamond necklaces. In what range you are looking for, ma'am? Please share your range as well as your contact number.
Savita madam.
If at all any particular design also you had, we'll schedule a video call to you. Where
it is Savita madam actually.
Savita madam, please share your number. On this number, what I have said you, 630-371-8441, where our online executive will help you out on scheduling a video call with in-store executives.
Sina Reddy madam is given mobile number.
Yeah, thank you madam. We'll schedule a video call for you. What you are looking for?
Sina Reddy madam.
Sina Reddy madam, thank you for sharing your number. We'll just schedule a video call as per your requirement as well as your timings. Our online executive will schedule a video call as per your requirement, as per your free time.
Harry is asking, do you have 2-in-1 Vardhanam?
Yeah, we do have 2-in-1 Vardhanams, whereas you can use it as Harry. Harry sir. Yeah, we do have a Vardhanam come harams, which are flexible necklaces called. You can please share your number. If at all you are a resident of Hyderabad or near places to Hyderabad or Jubilee Hills, please do visit our store. We can show you what all collection we had.
We have more.
We are coming up to the Jhumka what I have shown you before. This is Jhumka with the same Kundan work with ruby potas and uncuts with small pearl hangings. This can be used for small
Antique polish. Antique polish, no? This is?
Yeah, this is antique polish. Light antiques, not full. The polish can be changed as per your requirement or to suit your necklaces or what all your jewelry is around. We can match your jewelry of polish to this. This jhumkas are weighing you around 39.8 grams. Net weight will be around 31.1.
Nanita madam is asking diamond necklaces in 5 to 6 lakhs you have.
Yeah, we do have Nandita. Hello, madam. Nandita Garu. We had diamond necklaces starting from 3.5 lakhs to range about. We will get 5 to 6 lakhs ranges also. You can just please share your number. I'll schedule a video call to you where you can see much more collection of diamond jewelry as well as gold, as well as polkis also. As I said you, these jhumkas are weighing around 39.8 grams. This will roughly come up to 2,80,000. Please do visit our store.
Best price. We'll make best price.
Please do visit our store. If at all you like something from this, I'll check with my subordinates and do the best price for what all you selected. These are all tag values what we have seen you as per the today's gold rate. Can as you know, there is a much fluctuation in gold rates due to this lockdown and COVID time. We'll check out what the best we can work out and do the best for y'all. We can ship you as we had free shipping to all over India, as well as we had shipping to the different
US,
countries
Canada.
also, whereas one is of US and the other one is Canada.
Some terms and conditions is there.
If at all any other countries, we had some terms and conditions which will let you know by your contact number as well as your requirement. Please do share your contact details for more enquiries.
Just have a look.
Just once again have a look of these necklaces what I have shown you.
This is just described, no?
Yeah, this is a choker, as I said you, with a pearl and coral beads with a top. Next, this is all polki with pearls,
Which diamond?
close settings, uncuts.
Uncut diamonds.
Uncuts, yeah. These are all uncuts only, what we have seen now. This is all of
Earring for
the same earring of this necklace.
Next.
This is of kundan with emerald beads with uncut diamond. Please do give your comments as well as share your numbers for more requirement.
This is what? This is what?
This is kundan choker once again with small pearl hangings with a small jhumka. Please do visit our website Krishna Jewellers Pearls and Gems. WhatsApp, you can WhatsApp your numbers on this number 630-3718-441, whereas our online executives will schedule a video call to you as per your requirement and designs. They'll help you out in, they'll take your number and take your time for scheduling a video call, whereas it is must to take your free time to look for the collection what we had. Please do follow us our designs on Instagram as well as for more designs. Follow us on Instagram as well as Facebook. Thank you. Give your comments as well as if at all your requirement is much more, you can share your numbers with our number what I have explained given you 630-371-8441. That is our WhatsApp number where our online executive will schedule a video call to you all. Thank you.
And who is given this number? No, thank you so much for them.
Who all are shared your numbers, thank you for that. We'll look into that for scheduling a video call. Thank you. This is signing off. Rajkumar signing off. Thank you all.